Welcome back to the Crypto Nest. So another AI coin. It's a Singularity Dao. So it's a really young coin in September 2021, and it's didn't do much well, is it? And then now maybe it's reversing. We don't really know. The only thing, because it's like going downtrend since it got out. So the only thing I can do, I can put this downtrend line here like this, and I can see that there is a sign that maybe it's reversing, and it's so new that the MA 200 it just started to pop up here, and then it only been higher than the MA 200 just a few days, and then now it's actually higher, and then so the coin is now I can hear like many people, oh my god, like I need to get now, I'm too late. Okay, no, this coin, it was almost $6. It's 6 cents, and look the small wick here. So we are still, I would say, very early. And then if we see that just to go back to this higher high that I did it before, we're going to make almost a 10x. And then if this project really kicks in, and that next bull run, I believe it's going to be a AI bull run. So who knows? Maybe it's going to make 50x, 100x. Like, who knows? So we're still very young into this trend. So now, for once, I've been kind of lucky. Yeah! And I did buy at the ideal price. Yeah, I'm sorry I didn't have time to update this video before, but don't worry. Like we're so early. So as you can see, I barely did the chart because I was very busy lately. So let's say this was the beginning of the wave 1. So the ideal retracement. Okay, so that box was okay. So this yellow box was the ideal retracement for the wave 2, which we barely tip in. And actually, when I saw it and it started to reverse, I said, like all the coins nowadays, they never rarely reach their minimum requirement. They don't behave. They're actually misbehaving. So I got in there, and then so I've been lucky, and then it did skyrocket. So now if I do the extension now, actually I didn't do it yet, so let me so this is wave 2. Okay, so let me go back on maybe 1 hour because it's so short. Okay, so we did react, as you can see, to this 1.618, and then we actually even went higher and we reached the 2. So now because it's so bullish, more likely it's going to even go higher than a 2.618 for the 5th wave. So I believe that now we did let me take out this one. So this was the 3rd wave, and then so we said this was the 1st wave, and this was the 2nd one. And so now we're going to calculate, maybe you already did the retracement, I don't know. I don't think, yeah, maybe. Okay, so let's take the retracement. So Fibonacci retracement from the beginning of the 3rd wave to the end. You see this, well, it did went, but it can go even lower. So, and this honestly, even though every coin has its path, I keep saying. But if Bitcoin start to lose like 5%, 10%, then it's going to have an impact on this cycle of this coin as well, unfortunately. So we need to be aware of that. And then so now let me try to do some micro counting. Maybe I take half an hour. Oh, my god, I almost never do that. But so if this is the third wave, can we say that this was first A, B, C? That would be the A wave, and then A, B, C. That would be the B wave, and now we're doing the another A, B, and C for the C wave. So we said A, B, C. That would be the A, and then maybe here was the B, and now we're going to make a C. Could be, but this is like really micro counting. So we will see. On top of that, I had the wrong one. Can you imagine that? Well, it's a Monday, you know. So A, B, and then C, and then within the C we're supposed to have 5 waves. So a 1 and a 2. Already doesn't work, because if that is the case, this is the wave 1 and this is the 2, and I cannot go higher than the wave 2, the wave 1. So we're kind of almost invalidating. So that it doesn't work. That's why I don't do micro counting. Alright, so 1 hour it's much better. So maybe we just did an A and a B, and we're going to do this famous C. There you go. So an A, a B, and now we're waiting for a C. Anyway, but this is we need to wait. The only thing I can say it's we need to wait. You know, it's very clear. Okay, let's go back to the RSI. I'm not sure we're going to have something on the 1 day. Let me do the 4 days first. So wave 1 here, and then wave 2. Let me put it a little bit smaller so it's easier. So wave 1 here, wave 2, nice pullback. Wave 3, we did a higher RSI. So now we're waiting for a fourth wave. So the RSI, maybe it just go not in the oversold area anymore, and then we can go in the fifth wave. But you can see that the MACD, it's very healthy, and then it's like it's very energetic, so he has room to go. He barely start to maybe lose some momentum, so this coin can still go far ahead. Alright, so this is all for today. So please do not FOMO. If you get in, wait the good moment. If you want to put some pocket money in, but let's not forget that if you know what, let me do just to let's. So if we take, I'm even going to put the maximum of ideal fifth wave. Okay, let me label this as a fifth wave, so that okay. So if you ideally reach this level, we're going anyway to pull back in between the 0.5 and the 0.7. So that's going to be between 29 cents and 48 cents. So just wanted to point out, there is no way to FOMO. Price will go back to us. And then let me put it down in the 1 day. Take out the indicators. And then also the other thing you need to realize that price always catch up to the MA. So even if we skyrocket now, the MA 200 is going to start to go higher, and then MA 50 as well is going to go higher, and the price is going to come eventually and join this MA. So do not fear. There will be another more suitable time to get in, a more profitable one, because now let's face it, if you wait here and then we're going to make a even a bigger third wave, there, that's the wave you want to be in. Now, okay, price, it's yeah, it is high, but let's see. From here to the minimum requirement, we'll make another 14%, let's say, and then the maximum, we should go is at 20%. But you need to just see the long picture. Keep your money. If you want to invest for fun, go for it. You can make a 10% maybe, but it's not sure. And then when we're going to complete this fifth wave, we're going to actually complete a bigger count, right? So maybe I put it in blue and bigger. I don't know if okay. Okay, so we are going to complete this first big wave. So we're going to pull back for the second wave in blue count. And then, okay, now I'm going to stretch it, but just to give you, just to take out this FOMO, idea. And actually I'm going to put this one like this. Okay, so the third wave textbook is going to reach this level, which is $1.37. Let's say I'm going to put the box between the 1.618 and the 1.712. Okay, so there is still plenty of room. Okay, and then we're not even done, and there is another fourth wave that we can scale in more, and then actually a fifth wave. So, and then if we take, now I'm really stretching, but even if we do the minimum retracement and we end before, that's under 60%. So this small movement, you can get into it, and actually maybe now it's the bear market. It's a great time to exercise yourself. So you scale in, you set your sell stop limit, you try to read the market. You have an idea what I'm saying. You do your own work, your own research. You do your own strategy, and then even if I'm wrong, and then I'm wrong 9 times out of 10, but if every time I'm wrong I lose 1%, so 9 times I lost 9% of my capital, but that one time that I'm right and I make like 40, 50 or even 20%, at the end of the day I'm up 11%. So that's why it's really important to focus on the stop limit sell, because you limit your loss. And then when you in sport, if you play defense, you have much more chance to win, because if you prevent the other team to score, then you're still in the game. So that's what we have to do as a trader to stay back in the game. We need to preserve our capital, and then so just wait for a good moment to attack and make our profit. All right, so I hope I'm not out of the subject with this sports related example, but I guess you get my point. Okay, so have a good day. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And then if you have any, again, I said AI crypto coin that I'm not aware of, please share with the community. Have a good day.